Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR Carbon Edition. This vehicle comes with a 5-litre P575 petrol engine alongside an 8-speed automatic transmission. This particular model comes in the gorgeous SVO Premium Palette Green with some fantastic spec, including LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, 22-inch 5 split-spoke alloys with a gorgeous gloss black finish and even red brake calipers for a sportier look, along with privacy glass to finish off its sleek and sporty exterior. Heading to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, you have an electronically powered tailgate. Inside, you easily have enough storage space for all of your personal items, 2 large suitcases or even a set of golf clubs. You do, however, have the option to fold your rear seats to further enhance your capacity if necessary. Now hopping into the back, in the centre you have your climate control, Meridian sound system for the highest quality listening experience, and here are your beautifully designed SVR styled perforated leather seats with beneficial ISOFIX points and a central armrest with fixed twin cup holders. Moving into the front, you have the same interior environment continue, along with carbon fibre fittings. Now panning towards your heated, fully electronically adjustable memory front seats, you gain the additional benefit of a generously sized sliding panoramic sunroof, idyllic for summer days to give your vehicle a more open feel, your electrically powered wing mirrors and windows, and just beyond your memory seat functions, ensuring every journey can be as comfortable as the last one you took. Your contrasting tan and ebony leather steering wheel offers your phone book to make and take those hands-free calls, voice recognition system, lane assist, speed limiter, and even a heated steering wheel, perfect for winter mornings. You can adjust the settings on your interactive driver display just above, and as you'll see, there's a range of different sections with multiple drop downs to suit your personal preference. This vehicle has done 30,808 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your main display, you're up to date with the latest infotainment features, such as your rear view camera, making reversing and manoeuvring much easier and safer to do. Voice recognition system, ensuring you can keep your head up and eyes on the road when making any commands. Or even your ambient interior lighting, with a variety of different colours, and of course optional brightness settings to set the perfect mood for any journey. Just below on your larger display screen, you'll find your terrain response, making this vehicle perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter. Heading into seats, you'll find your individually adjustable heated seats. You can again individually adjust the temperature within the cabin for both driver and passenger, or opt to sync this as a pair, dictate the direction of airflow, and of course adjust the airflow setting itself.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.